Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I bid to Dr. Hanif or Dr. Ilham. So my name is Nur Sakira bint Abdul Rahman. My mentor number is 192412. So in this video, I would like to do assignment 4, where I would review each chapter that I learned in this subject and also give some recommendations for this subject. So when I first registered this subject, I was expecting to add my knowledge with ethics and rules in the workplace, especially as a chemist. So as a chemist, I will be dealing with hazardous chemicals, so it is important to know the safety and precaution in working with hazardous chemicals. So it is quality management system, which is the first chapter that I learned. Is a set of procedures or policies and rules that are required when planning and executing in an organization. So the first ISO that we learn is ISO 14001 EMS. So EMS, or Environmental Management System, is a system in systematic way in managing an organization regarding the environmental aspects. So this EMS can be used to improve environmental performance. This is because right now the world is full with water pollution, environmental pollution, improper waste management, climate change, and many more that could causing our world to be sick. So DMS also stressed about the leadership and how a leader could help and improve an organization performance in saving environment. Throughout this year, the ISO also got revised to make system more relevant according to the changes in market system. The ISO also teaches the approach in managing a system or a business, where it uses PDCA cycle, where P is for planning, D is for do, means that we execute the operation, C is for check, means the evaluation, and A is for act. So the next chapter is total quality management. Is also one of my favorite topics because I could learn the quality aspect in managing a business or an organization. It also stresses about the main goal in achieving quality, which is to satisfy customer. We have a few principles. So the first principle is customer focus, where it really shows that customer is the main priority. The second one is about the leadership, which is to obtain a good management. A good leader is a must. So as stated by Deming in his philosophy, saying that the improvement in quality and service processes is driven by top leadership management. So the difference between 14001 and 19001 is 14001 is for environment, while 9001 is for meeting customer and provide consistent quality. The next ISO is 17025, where in this ISO we learn how an organization can use this ISO to make a test calibration or data that they collect to become more reliable results. So this ISO is also really beneficial in increasing our confidence for that certain data that we collect. As a chemist, also dealing with data is a must. So in addition, we also can increase public confidence to trust with our data if we use or we apply this ISO. So the last chapter is OSH, which is occupational safety health management system, where it talks and explains about the health and safety policies, systems, and standards. Learning about this is also another important criteria to pursue work career, as it can manage to reduce possible future liabilities and especially beneficial for workers regarding their safety and many more. So this system is also used the PDCA cycle. So in conclusion, I had a great fun learning all this chapter for this subject, and we had certain difficulties due to online classes and everything, because and I also can be fully prepared to start working career as a chemist after learning about the rules and regulation. I kind of felt sad that we cannot go to trip to Syria, because I think if we one of the recommendation I can give is, because yeah, we need trade to that certain company that really apply ISO in their life, in real life, so that we can really see like how actually the ISO work. And I think it will be a great learning process for us. So it's kind of sad that due to COVID-19 we can't go to Syrian, but I think that is a really good approach in teaching students like how ISO works. And last but not least, thank you so much to Dr. Izham and Dr. Hanif for teaching us throughout this semester, especially in online classes, because I know like how hard it is from using the internet connection and everything. But thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys again.